How to set up deal permissions in Bitrix24. In this video, I'll show you how to set up deal permissions in Bitrix24. So to get started, go ahead and open Bitrix24 into your browser and then sign into your account. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into the CRM tab. And then once you're on the CRM tab, go ahead and head over into the deals tab. So once you're on the deals tab, you can go ahead and find this settings icon at the right side of your screen under the deals tab. So click on that. And then under that, go ahead and click on access permissions. And then in here, you can go ahead and set the access permissions for each of the specific actions that can be done on your deals tab. So as you can see, you can set the employee, supervisor, deputy supervisor, observer, and administrator of this specific actions that you can do for each of the deals in general. So you can go ahead and click on the plus icon for that specific role and then select that individual or employees who can access this specific role. And that is how you can basically set up deal permissions in Bitrix24. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.